Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashraf al-anbiya wal mursaleen. Abil Qasim Muhammad wa ala alihi tayyibin at-tahirin wa ala sahbihi al-muntajabin. I'm proud to be asked about Imam Khomeini, rahmatullah alayh. Imam Khomeini was a very different leader, revolutionary, religiously, politically, historically. He was a multi-personage. In the same time that he was a marja, as a religious leader, a pure man, a pious man, a self-built man. In the other side, he was a revolutionary, very dare. He was a poet. He was very sympathetic man. And